Maya. Maya is a term first coined by a designer, a US-based designer whose name is Raymond Loewy. He coined this term to explain his project and explain his process. So who is Raymond Loewy? Let me explain that. So if I say Raymond Loewy is the one who designed Air Force, Air Force One for John F. Kennedy for 19th century, and the same Raymond Loewy who designed NASA space station for 19th century, you won't connect with him. He's not your type. This is what you will think. But if I say that the same Raymond Loewy designed the Coca-Cola bottle, immediately connect. You will immediately connect with them, because Coca-Cola, you are using it in a day-to-day life, So what I mean to say, this is what he explained through Maya. So someone once asked Raymond Loewy that how he is coming up with such a design that which is futuristic, which lasts forever. So he coined the word, I use Maya in each of my design. So he asked, what is Maya? So he told, Maya is most advanced yet acceptable. This is the technique I use. Which means that he used to say that, the mojo point of every product is the point where neophobia meets neophilia. Which means that a customer or a prospect will not accept a product which is completely new for him or her. He or she needs a pinch of familiarity in every product, every technology, everything he meets. The majority I'm talking about. So while developing his product or while designing his product, he kept it in mind that his product or service should be familiar for the customer. He used a term named familiar surprise, which means that customer or prospect should surprised with the technology of his product, but there should be some familiarity in the product, or else it will be rejected brutally. So now you will have a doubt in your mind that how this can be applied to sales, which is my domain. So this can be used in sales, like when you are explaining about the product, when you are persuading your prospect to make a purchase decision, you can apply this principle called Maya in your sales pitch. Which means that, for example, I'll just explain it with an example. If you are selling a water purifier, for example, if you are selling a water purifier, if you talk to your prospect like reverse osmosis, post and pre-carbonate filter, and pH carbon method, revitalizers. If you use these terms, prospect won't give a damn about it. Instead, if you say that, see, you are getting this water purifier, you are getting water which is pure than your boiled water, click. It immediately clicks. What I have used here is a Maya technique, which is most advanced yet familiar, because I explained every advanced technique with the familiar thing. Maybe some of you must be using this without knowing the scientific term of it, the principle of it. But when you know it in deep, you can apply it everywhere. So if you're someone who is not following me for quite a long time, or if you're seeing me for the first time, subscribe here, because I'm in the research of for my upcoming book, and I'll be sharing more such stuff in this place. I hope this helps. Thank you.